Ever thought a simple copy-paste could turn into thousands of dollars? What if I told you that there's a way to tap into the power of AI and start earning money without any upfront investment? Most people struggle with starting an online business because they think it requires a lot of skills or capital. Today, I'm going to show you how DeepSeek AI can change that narrative and help you build an income stream that's not just profitable but also runs on autopilot. 1. What is DeepSeek AI? First things first, let's dive into what DeepSeek AI really is. Picture this, a cutting-edge AI tool that surpasses even the renowned ChatGPT in intelligence and versatility. DeepSeek AI isn't just another chatbot. It's a comprehensive digital assistant that can write eloquently, analyze market trends, and even assist in creating sought-after digital products. Imagine having a robotic ally that's constantly dialed into the pulse of the market, intuitively understanding what products are in demand and what the next big trend is likely to be. This tool is designed to help you make informed decisions by providing insights that are typically only accessible to industry insiders. Whether you're looking to write engaging content, spot emerging trends, or develop digital products that sell, DeepSeek AI equips you with the capabilities to do so efficiently and effectively. 2. It's free and easy. One of the most appealing aspects of DeepSeek AI is that it's absolutely free. Yes, you heard that right, free. In a world where similar tools come with hefty subscription fees, DeepSeek AI stands out by offering its full suite of features at no cost. This accessibility makes it an ideal starting point for beginners and a game changer for anyone looking to embark on their first online side hustle without financial risk. What's more, DeepSeek AI is designed with ease of use in mind. It simplifies complex tasks such as market analysis and digital product creation, making it possible for anyone with basic computer skills to start leveraging AI in their business strategies. This tool democratizes the advanced capabilities of AI, allowing users from any background to tap into digital opportunities that were once out of reach. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or a novice looking to make your mark, DeepSeek AI provides the tools you need to succeed, all while keeping your budget intact. 3. Finding your niche. Starting your journey to making money online begins with identifying the right niche. But how do you choose one? This is where DeepSeek AI comes into play. By simply inputting a prompt, DeepSeek AI can swiftly analyze the current market trends and identify niche opportunities that are both profitable and align with your interests. It's like having an expert market researcher at your fingertips. You'll be presented with a list of hot topics and emerging fields, each with potential for high returns. This step is crucial because selecting the right niche sets the foundation for your success. It isn't just about following trends, it's about finding a space where your passions and the market demand intersect. With DeepSeek AI, you can explore various niches until you find the one that sparks your interest and shows promise for profitability. Whether it's wellness, technology, or any other sector, DeepSeek AI equips you with the insights to make an informed decision, paving the way for your next lucrative venture. 4. Create digital ebooks. With your niche pinpointed, it's time to create digital products that cater to the needs of your audience. DeepSeek AI streamlines this process by helping you brainstorm and develop ebook ideas that address real problems facing people in your chosen niche. These aren't just any ebooks. They are tailored solutions crafted to provide value, drawing upon DeepSeek AI's ability to gauge consumer needs and preferences. The process is straightforward. Input your requirements, and DeepSeek AI suggests a range of topics and content structures that are currently in demand. From there, you can develop ebooks that not only sell, but genuinely help your audience. What's more, as the creator, you retain the majority of the profits. Selling these ebooks across various platforms online allows you to reach a global audience, turning your ideas into income. Imagine the satisfaction of creating a resource that benefits thousands while also enhancing your financial independence. DeepSeek AI doesn't just aid in creating any ebook, it guides you in crafting a product that's both meaningful and marketable. 5. Writing your ebook. Many people shy away from creating digital products because they think writing is too challenging, but DeepSeek AI changes all that. This innovative tool simplifies the writing process significantly. All you need to do is provide DeepSeek with some initial prompts about your ebook topic, and it takes over from there. It generates a comprehensive outline, fills in detailed content, and can even draft entire sections of your book. The technology behind DeepSeek AI taps into vast databases of information to produce content that is not only relevant, but also engaging. Your role in this process is to guide the AI with your unique insights and then refine the generated content. This means reviewing the drafts to ensure they align with your voice and making adjustments where necessary to add a personal touch. This collaborative process between human creativity and AI efficiency allows you to produce high-quality, informative ebooks without the overwhelming burden of writing everything from scratch. Whether you're a seasoned writer or a novice, DeepSeek AI empowers you to create professional-level content with ease. 6. Sell your ebook. Once your ebook is ready, the next step is to sell it and start generating income. With DeepSeek AI, not only do you create an ebook, but you also get the tools to sell it effectively. You can list your ebook on popular platforms like Amazon Kindle, where millions of readers shop for new books every day. Additionally, I will guide you through setting up your own website, where you can sell the ebook directly to consumers. Selling on your own site has a significant advantage. You keep 100% of the profits, bypassing any middleman fees typically associated with third-party platforms. I'll also show you how to design captivating ebook covers that grab potential buyers' attention, using simple AI-driven graphic design tools that ensure your book stands out in a crowded market. Setting up an online store might sound daunting, but with today's technology, I promise it's easier than you think. In just a few minutes, you can have a fully functional e-commerce site ready to welcome readers from around the globe, turning your writing efforts into a profitable business venture. 7. Maximize your earnings. To truly maximize your earnings, don't settle for just one successful ebook. The key to building a substantial income stream is to continuously create and market multiple ebooks. With DeepSeek AI at your disposal, the process of finding new lucrative topics and converting them into complete ebooks is remarkably efficient and scalable. Use DeepSeek to regularly scan for emerging trends and in-demand knowledge areas that can be transformed into new publications. This continuous creation process not only diversifies your product offerings, but also significantly enhances your market presence and potential revenue. Each new ebook opens up additional avenues for revenue, attracting different customer segments and tapping into various interests. Furthermore, by expanding your library of digital products, you establish yourself as a credible authority in your field, which can lead to more sales, higher customer retention, and even opportunities for upselling related products or services. The beauty of using an AI tool like DeepSeek is that it streamlines the research and writing process, making it feasible to manage multiple projects simultaneously without compromising on quality. So, keep pushing the boundaries, keep writing, and watch as your digital empire grows. The sky truly is the limit. All right, everyone. That wraps up our guide on making money with DeepSeek AI. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button. Let's set a goal. If we reach 500 likes, I'll create a special follow-up video where I dive even deeper into maximizing your earnings with digital products. I want to make sure you have all the tools you need to succeed, so your likes will tell me how much more you want to learn. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video to help others find these awesome tips. Thanks for watching, and let's hit that target together.